Okay, everyone, so we are back for part 2 of our videos on how to record and upload to your Teams. So you've already recorded your class at this point, so now you want to upload it and share it with your students. So what you're going to do is go to your Office 365 homepage, which you can see here, and then what you're going to want to click on is Stream. So it's this red arrow. So this is the part of the Microsoft Suite that is all to do with videos. When you come to your Stream homepage, you have the My Content tab. Right at the top, you're going to click on Videos, and that's going to bring you to a page that has all of the videos you've ever recorded. A little tip, if you actually name your meetings with like World History class, August 20th, 2020, that'll be the name that pops up. So that just might make things a little simpler for you, especially if you're teaching a lot of classes and have a lot of things you might need to upload. So we have all these videos. So on the right-hand side, you have some options. You have add to watch list, you have add to group or channel, and then you have the one that we're actually going to be looking at, which is update video details. So you're going to click on that little pencil, and hopefully that doesn't happen, but if it does, it's okay. We're just going to go back and try again. So like all things, we just have to be patient because sometimes stuff like that happens. So take 2, we've clicked on our pencil. It's going to bring us to this page. So we can change the name of the video. So I'm just going to write class 814 so we know what it is. If you want to add a description, you can add that. You also have the ability to change permissions. So what I've just been doing is clicking it, so allowing everyone in my company, so everyone within the GMCS domain will be able to view this video. If I share it with them, I won't have to change any other settings. So we have some other options over here. Some of them were not really allowed to mess with. So we can't like click on auto generate a caption file. If we wanted to do that, we would have to upload the file ourselves. So we just won't mess with that. We also have the ability to download this video. So if you want it saved on your computer forever, click on that. You can upload a video to replace this one. So if you're a teacher, for example, that teaches the same class multiple times a day, maybe you want to replace this video because you taught it so much better one period than another, or we can delete the video. So lastly, at the bottom, we have our options to share the video. So the first one is just sharing with a link. So we're going to go ahead and copy that because we're going to need that later. You can also say you want to start the video at a certain time. So you would check that box, enter the time you want to start it at. And then when you share it, it won't start at the beginning. It'll just start at whatever time. You can send it out via email, or you can embed it on a web page. So that stuff, if we need to, we can come back and look at it. But for right now, we'll just focus on sharing with the URL because this is probably what most of us are going to be doing. So we've copied it already. I'm going to go close this and I'm going to click apply. So it's the red button and that'll save all of my changes. So then once you do that, the video is going to start playing. So I'll close that out because we don't need to watch it. Then I'm going to go back to my Teams. So this is, that home page up on the post page. So we have a couple different options for how we want to share our video. So one, we can click on this stream arrow right at the bottom, and that's going to create a new post with a link to this video. So there we go. I'm going to click the little paper airplane, and now it is on this stream. So one important thing is I can't go back and delete this. So if I accidentally uploaded the wrong video, it is now there forever. So just be aware of that. Our other option is we can go to the top and add a tab. So this is good if it's a really important video that you don't want to get lost in the shuffle, which can happen if it is on the post page. So again, we'll click on stream it'll load. We can either link it to a channel, so you might want to just set up a channel at the top that has all of the class videos. We can do that later, or if we just want to upload this video, I'm going to paste the URL. I'm going to click where it says class 814, and that's going to name this tab class with the date. So then I'll hit save. And now we can see at the top of my page, I have a new tab that says class 814. When you click on that, there's our video. So that makes it super, super easy for students to find if they miss it. With the tabs, if you create a tab, you can remove it as well. So say it's a week later, we don't need students to find it as easily anymore. I'm just going to go ahead, click remove that. It's going to be permanently removed, and now it's gone. So that is how you can upload your videos for your students to go back and watch later.